Actually, I'm just going to do a quick video of my house. And this is the front porch. And I did the stonework. Pretty good. And my rides. So this is a 1927 Model T Ratrod. It's a 351 Windsor. It's pretty sick. Oh, this is a lot of fun to drive. So most people know I switched, or actually traded my 68 Chevelle for this 65 Buick. Actually, it's just a simple 350 with a 350 turbo trans. It's got 20-inch rims. It's on an air ride suspension. It's been tastefully done. It's pretty nice overall. It's a lot of fun. Alright, this is my baby. It's a 2013 Nissan GT-R. I don't really have to get in the depths with this one, because overall, it's always been my dream car, and I finally got one. So, owning a home, one thing I noticed is that you need a truck. So, this is my 2016 Silverado 1500 LT with the RMT package. So it's got a 6-inch lift, and basically the works. The only thing I need on it is I'm getting the Line-X done in the trunk sometime soon. That's pretty much it as far as my cars. And this is my house. And that's it. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.